Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do some of the watermelon themed projects. So let's get started. So this is my final reveal of one of my cute project, and this is one of the candle holder, and I used the candle and cleaned the candle jar, and I painted pink all over first, and then I painted green in the bottom, then white in between. Using the black marker, I just drew the seeds of watermelon in alternate pattern. I just love it. And I had this slice of watermelon from my last year. It was in the patio and then it got lost its color. So what I did was I just refreshed it by painting pink and green and white in between. And I also did the same, just drew the seeds with black marker, Sharpie. And I stuffed with beautiful pink and green leaves. I thought like these leaves go along with the theme of watermelon. So I stuffed those leaves and I stuck this watermelon pick on top, and I'm loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and the theme is summer. I'll leave the links of her channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. A watermelon sign. I made it using all Dollar Tree items. Can you believe that? And that's one of the palette. The green gingham print paper is from Michael's, and I just cut those in the strips and attached on those palette, and I painted white in between so it looks nice. And this is the cute ceramic watermelon plate from Dollar Tree, and I stuck it in as a slice, and I wrote fresh and juicy using the stickers, and that's all it needs. It looks so pretty. I'm so in love with this, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. This beautiful watermelon sign is one of those half moon signs from Dollar Tree. The watermelon napkin from Dollar Tree, I stuck the green part first, and then I stuck the pink part in the center, like you saw the process. And those seeds and pink and green, they're looking so beautiful. I'm just loving this. And I painted white in the bottom part of the board, and those are like foam stickers, hello, and I painted black, and I stuck summer with those stickers, and I gave like one of the leaf motif on the top, and I painted green on the bottom because I thought, like, it'll go well with the whole painting, whole DIY. I thought like I should do that. So I'm in love with this project, and I'm very happy how this turned out. So I hope you'll also like it. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the few of watermelon theme project I wanted to do from a long time, and I grabbed the opportunity for this collab, and I love all of these projects. I hope you'll also love it. And let me know your thoughts on this, and if you want to give any suggestions towards my channel, that will help my channel grow. I would appreciate that. And like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.